So this topic is called loci. Loci, loci is the plural of locus. Locus is a point that travels in a way that leaves a trail behind it. Take, for example, a snail and the trail it leaves behind it. The snail would be the point, and the trail it leaves behind it is the locus. So the way it travels, the way the point travels, it leaves the locus behind it. It creates a locus. So, for example, for the first page, you're gonna see cranks and glissets. Now, glissets are the main thing on the first page. Glissets are not part of the syllabus, so I'm not gonna go into it now. But I gave it to you anyway, so you can, if you want to, you can have a general knowledge of what glissets are. Glissets are another form of locus. But now we're gonna focus on cranks. Cranks are part of the syllabus. And what I'm going to mention from here on out are part of the syllabus. So, cranks. Below is a mechanism that transfers circular motion into linear motion. Look, circular motion. I have the rod here, and it travels into linear motion. Crank OA is linked to rod AB. That travels, so AB travels along the length YZ. Plot the locus of point P. Point P lies on rod AB. Plot the locus of point P as the crank AO travels 360 degrees. So first thing I need to do, I'm gonna need to see how A travels through the circle. So first thing I'm gonna do is split the circle up into a number of parts. Now, ideally, the circle always gets split up into 12 parts, because 12 parts is not too little, and it's not too much either. Remember that to split it into 12 parts, use the vertical and horizontal lines and 30 by 60 lines. Now, I'm gonna number them. You're gonna see why later on, well, as soon as we finish these. Okay? So, A is in position 1. When A is in position 1, B is over here, right? So what I'm gonna do with my compass, I'm gonna open the full length of the rod from A to B. And I'm gonna see where the rod lies on line YZ when I'm in position 2. Right? It lies here. B will be here when I'm in position 2. So this one I'm gonna call it B. So later I can draw a line from 2 to 2. That's why I use numbers, so that I don't get confused which arc belongs to which number. Some of them are gonna get really close to each other, the arcs. It's okay, it's fine. As you can see, I like to put the numbers on top, slightly on top of the arc, so that I know exactly which number belongs to which arc, especially when they get clustered like in here. 10, look, 10 lies basically on B. And even 11 and 12. Look, 12 is gonna lie basically on top of 11 as well. See? Okay, so now I'm gonna join each number to their respective numbers. Now, I'm gonna place my compass back on A and open till point P so that I know the distance between A and P. Now I go on each number and see where P will lie. Okay, there I plotted the points, and now through freehand I draw it in a curvature motion. I link all the points together. Okay, and I've plotted the locus of point P. Okay, so now for the second exercise, you're gonna read the question, see what happens, and plot the locus of points L. Remember, if we need to divide something up into a number of parts, 12 is the ideal number. So if you need to split up A, B into a number of parts, 12 is the ideal number. Okay?